I saw these old videos online and I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. It's called squiggle wood, straight-grained hardwood that's filled with a series of precise curves that essentially turns it into a wooden spring with uses limited only by the imagination. I could see myself making some unique projects with it. But how do you cut all those curves perfectly straight and square, each equally spaced apart and to a precise depth? A table saw curve, even a bandsaw curve, would be too wide. I need an ultra-thin blade like a Japanese pole saw, but my hand sawing skills aren't nearly good enough for this. But what if you could mount a pole saw upside down, add a sliding table, and pass the work right over it instead of the saw over the work? By controlling the height and the angle of the cutting edge, you could control the depth of the curve, and with a bevel tilt mechanism and an adjustable fence, you could have full control over every aspect of the cut with precision even handsaw masters would have a hard time beating. I know, you don't have a Bridge City Joint Maker Pro 2. I didn't either until a couple months ago. And you may never have a need for a piece of squiggle wood. The point of this video is to really just get some of you thinking about what may be possible if you combine the delicate razor-like cuts of a Japanese saw with the dead-on precision of a high-end, well-engineered table saw that's safe, quiet, and doesn't kick dust into the air. What else might you be able to do with that? Of course, this is a premium quality high-end tool. I know some of you will just look at the price and dismiss it out of hand. And I'm not here to try to convince you that you need a Joint Maker Pro. It's not a tool for everyone. It's just for those who wish to do extraordinary things that can't be done with any other tool. So just let yourself dream a little bit. I know I will be. And in the future videos, we may just see what sort of creative ways I can come up with to unlock some of the potential of this tool. At the very least, it should be fun to watch. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.